I'm going to be using the new Morphe Live in Color collection that I just picked up this morning. I'm so thankful I have Morphe stores in my area, so I didn't have to order it online and wait for it. I couldn't wait, so I ran to the mall early this morning, grabbed the collection, and now I'm home to film for you guys. What's really cool about this collection is that Morphe is donating 100% of the net proceeds to the Trevor Project. I'm just gonna read what the whole organization is about. The Trevor Project is a leading national organization providing crisis intervention and suicide prevention services to the LGBTQ young people under 25. I think that's just so cool for a bigger brand to just donate all the proceeds to a great organization, especially during the month of June. This is Pride Month, and I support the community 125 million%. I just feel that the world needs to be more accepting of everyone, no matter what your gender, your sexual preferences, just anything. Everyone just needs to show love to everybody, and I'm really stoked to show you guys this whole collection, so let's just get right into it. So in the collection, there is a palette. It is called the 25L Live in Color palette. There are 25 shades in this palette. Also in the collection is this 7-piece eyeshadow brush set. And I love Morphe brushes. I feel like for the price, they are very good quality, and they're pretty much the only eyeshadow brushes that I use now. I love this little case that it comes in. It is kind of janky a little bit though, because look, they like fall out. I don't know if that's supposed to happen, but this is just cardboard, so it's not like the best quality. So sticking with this whole rainbow theme, I'm of course gonna do a rainbow eyeshadow look. Yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm gonna first prime my eyes with the Morphe Eyelid Primer. Also, I love that this palette has a mirror in it. And I already did my whole face with foundation, you know, the whole 9 yards. So I'm really hoping these eyeshadows don't have a lot of fallout, because I usually do my eyeshadow first, but I just wanted to focus more on this collection and not like the rest of my face. So let's hope they don't fall out. I want to use the brushes that came in this collection, but I am going to be doing a rainbow eyeshadow look, so I do need quite a few brushes to do different colors. I'm gonna start with this Morphe M222 brush, and I'm gonna start with the color Sunlight. It is a yellow color, and I'm just popping this color right in the crease of my eye. I wanna create like a rainbow cut crease look. And now I'm gonna pick up the shade Nature. It's a really bright lime green, which I am living for. And don't mind getting the color in your lid space, because we are gonna carve that out with some concealer. So you don't have to be super precise. Now I'm gonna pick up a blue shade, and I think I'm gonna go in with more of like a turquoise blue, and this one Parade looks so pretty. And taking that M507, I'm going to blend that out. So all I'm doing is just packing on the color and then blending it out. This palette is so fun, all these colors. I'm like living for this. And I wanna go in with purple now, so I'm gonna hit Love Wins. Such a cute name. This brush is perfect too for packing the color. Now blend that out. And I'm going to go into Pride. It's an orange color, and finish the look off with this. All these colors are really pigmented, and I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. So now I'm gonna take this, what is it, M326 brush, and just lightly go over the top of the colors so they just blend out and don't look like such a harsh line. Now I'm gonna cut the crease, and I need to go get my concealer. Or actually, I'm just going to use this Morphe white concealer. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand so I don't pollute the concealer. Dab into the concealer and cut your crease out. So the easiest way that I've learned to cut out a crease is just to follow the natural shape of your eye. Let the brush do the work. Now to really make that cut crease stand out, I'm gonna take this white shade Milk and just fill that in. Okay, I'm gonna go throw on some eyeliner and lashes, and then I'll come back to finish up the lower lash line. Okay, lashes and liner are on, and now I'm going to finish up the lower lash line. I think I'm gonna do this pink right here called Sexuality. By the way, these names are amazing. Everything is so pigmented. I'm gonna finish up with some mascara on the bottom lashes. Then to finish everything up, I'm going to take this M431 and the color Liberation and pop it in the inner corner. It's like a chunky glitter, which I am here for. Are you seeing that? Like, it's blinding, right? Compared to this eye. Since the eyes are just so bold, I'm gonna stick to a more neutral lipstick. So I'm gonna use Sophia from Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. Okay, this is the final makeup look. I freaking love how it turned out. I'm all about some color, and I really wanted to showcase a bunch of them that's from this collection. I think I did pretty well at using a lot of the colors, even though there's so many good ones in this palette. Totally into all these rainbow vibes. I can't get enough of colorful eyeshadow looks lately. I'm just so glad Morphe came out with this collection because I've been needing some more colorful eyeshadows. And I love how all the proceeds are being donated to help people out. So it's just an all-around like feel-good palette, I feel like. As far as the eyeshadows falling out, they didn't. Like, not one color fell out, not even this like chunky highlight that I put right in the middle of my eye. There are some other shimmer shades that I didn't try, but you know I'm gonna be using this all summer long. The brush collection was super cool. It's always good to have more Morphe brushes or makeup brushes in general. I feel like you can never have enough, obviously. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and everything that I use I will link down below if you're interested in any of it. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment and I will answer them for you. Other than that, I really enjoyed this collection. I think it's just super cute and fun. If you're looking for eyeshadows that are really colorful, check this baby out. This was $20 and the brushes I believe were $28, I think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, hippies.
I wonder how many comments I'm gonna get that I say like too much. Here's to all my haters, like, you guys suck. Like, totally. Like. Count how many times I said like now.